These are the locomotives for CN 583, the London to Paris local, and they have been sitting there for over an hour on the north track, waiting to do a track crossover, and they had to wait for several freights and a via to pass. And now they finally got the go-ahead.
Bringing up direct message here. If you can give me an update when you go by, let me know if you see anybody. In case you're through there before the police show up. And you said 5 FIBE hours.
Now they're going by on the south track. They're running around the train that they brought from London here to Paris, and they'll be back on their way to London. Those are the locomotives from CN train 583, the London to Paris local. And after having to sit down at the other end and wait for a couple of freights and a via, they finally got to run around their train and come down here, and then this signal was red, and they had to wait for authorization.
And using any track.